स्मार्ट सिटीचे काम उण्या दर्जाचे आशिल्ल्याचे सरकारांतल्या मंत्र्यानूच मान्य केलां। तेन्ना ह्या कामाची न्यायालयान चवकशी करपाची मागणी काँग्रेसीन केल्या। ह्या कामान घोटाळो जाल्ल्याचो आरोपूय काँग्रेसीन परतून एक फावट केलो। लोकांच्या पयशांची अशी लुबाडणूक जाता आनी तुमी कारवाय करपाक सोदिनात हे चल्ला कितें असो प्रश्नूय काँग्रेसीन उपरासला।
One minister of the cabinet, who is a local MLA, Babush Monserrat, admits that the works carried out are substandard. He admits that consultants have been paid huge amount, which is unaccounted, and he gives one specific instance of 8 crores. आणि कितें जाय? सरकाराच्या कॅबिनेटींतलो जेन्ना मिनिस्टर एडमिट करता that there is corruption, a proper government of the day would have directed FIR to be lodged against those involved. Now who is involved? Everybody misses sight of one thing, that is the board of directors of Imagine Panaji Smart City Limited. This is the body which is given all the powers to plan, the powers to appraise the projects, the powers to approve the projects, the powers to implement the projects, the powers to monitor what is going on, the power to operate if the operation is needed wherever, and the power to evaluate the works that are carried out. This board has completely abdicated its responsibility. The chairman of this board is none other than the Chief Secretary of Goa, who himself is the Chief Vigilance Officer of Goa. So कोणाचेर action कोण घेतलो?